sanctuary is in the nearby Satahip district, just south of the main Pattaya city. You can visit the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary at two different times during the day. The morning visit takes place from 6:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. to 1730 hours. The package deal includes two traditional Thai buffet meals, pick up and drop off to your accommodation here in Pattaya. Elephant Sanctuary Pattaya, once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Meet new people while spending a day at an elephant camp. Enjoy the company of an elephant. This video is promoting the sustainable and ethical way of treating elephants in a village. Trained English guides give visitors an insight about the behavior and the personal history of elephants. Help people realize the incredible life experiences such as bathing of elephants or feeding them by hand.
First way, you can keep this banana to the trunk. Just put under the trunk like this. Okay, just put under the trunk. This is the first way. But be careful. Okay, under the trunk there is two holes. That's where elephant they breathe. Okay, do not put banana in that hole. Otherwise they're gonna die. It happened last week. My elephant, something wrong. And I saw two banana in the hole. So be careful. And the second way, you can go more closer next to elephant. And then show foot a little bit up like this. Holy. They cannot see anything behind. Touch head at that cheek here. That trunk around that side. Do not go behind elephant and slap their butt. I know they have such a big butt. Every day go and pat. Oh my God. Do not do that. They're very good at back. Bigger and they got two dome. But African one. And in Asia, we still have four types of elephant. If you go to India, you will see Indian elephant. Indian elephant, Sri Lanka, Sumatra, and last Bornean elephant. That's why elephant poop gonna be in our last activity later. Do you know what we're going to do? We're not gonna cook for sure. We're gonna go to make paper out food. And about that life, how long can they live for? Elephant life just like human. They just another human. Asian elephant can live longer than African elephant. The oldest that we used to have in Asia, 109. About their food, back to their food. Elephant they eat a lot. They can eat about 10% of the body weight. And our elephant 3 and 4 tons. So they the trunk, hit on the ground. That means be careful. That elephant might maybe not in bad, not in good mood, or afraid of something. And if you think that it's fine, I can run away from elephant. You can run away from elephant because elephant they cannot run, but they can walk 40 kilometers per hour. So they are not that slow. Especially when they're mad, they become more faster, and more powerful. I seen big elephant grab my dad car and throw it. But my car was there. And oh, that's it. Go and take video, and that baby just slapped his face. And 5 years old. Elephant are breaking everyone. You can pet them, you can talking with them. Elephant, remember, let's go and make friends with them. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. It's not that big movie. It's called Running Wild. About the story about 15, 14 or 15 hours maximum.
They like how when they sleep? Yeah.
Not lay down, but one not lay down. They lean their body with the tree or
Because they can't stand all the time.
it's
Too
hard
much
to
weight.
get up.
Hard to get up. Yeah. Too much weight.
Oh yeah. That's one.
We're gonna make elephant
Paper?
paper out of elephant poop.
Thank you. Okay, first and all that we collect the elephant poop. Might be on the beside the swimming pool and mud pool. When we collect already, you die in under the sun.
Okay.
3 or 4 days. You got the poop like this. You can touch and smell. It no smell.
No
I promise.
I smell.
Hour. Poop and bath is about 6 hours. And during boiling, they will put in hydrogen inside, make it clean and no smell. And after that, we put it together in the machine. You spin together like 1 hour, and you can put any color that you want. We use full color. If normal color, it's like that, like bow color. It's a normal, a natural. And if you want to put pink or red or blue, you can put it posted. And after that, we got the ball like that over there. Okay. First and all, I'm gonna put like the fam in the water. And put the bit side, make it strong. Okay, break it out. And spin it out. If you want to do elephant poop paper, you can do in your home if you have elephant. But someone like try to do like dog poop is not working and really smell bad. Okay, make sure you cannot to see the hole. Spin it out. Oh yes, yes. Yeah, you can. So inside water,
How about this?
Over there. Try over there. Sorry about that.
Does this spread out good?
It's so good, like just lay it up. And come to die here. Yes, thank you. You want to do postcard? Thank you.
洗手。
You want to do postcard or not? No? Get to me.
Who are we sending this to?
Okay, 5 more minutes left.
We leave it here.
5 minutes left.
I'm gonna